Everything in SEAL training had a lesson. You know, when you go through your life, you'll have a lot of opportunities to take risks, and sometimes you don't. Sometimes you want to take the safe way, and there's nothing wrong with that. There is nothing wrong with taking the safe way. But if you want to be great, if you want to be great in your personal life, if you want to be great in your professional life, sooner or later, you're going to have to take some risks. Sooner or later, you're going to have to get up on that rope and slide down head first. We are all going to have periods like that in our life. You have to figure out why you failed, what went wrong, learn from your mistakes, and push forward. It's the only way to live your life. So what I tell folks is make as many friends as you can, have as many colleagues as you can, accept the goodwill of strangers, because I don't care who you are, you can't paddle that boat by yourself. Hope is the most powerful force in the universe. Every single one of you will have an opportunity to pat somebody on the back, to write a thank you letter, to give somebody hope. Don't ever pass up that opportunity, because you have no idea the cascading effect the little hope can give somebody. So the lessons today are pretty straightforward. Start your day with a task completed. Find someone to help you through life. Respect everyone. Know that life's not fair, and you're going to fail occasionally. But if you take some risks, you stand up to the bullies, and if you give somebody hope, and if you never ever give up, if you do these things, I guarantee you, you are going to be successful in life.